This is a summary of the essential content from the food studies topic, Preparing Food Equipment. This is from Orca Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Labor-saving cooking equipment such as microwave ovens and pressure cookers save time and energy. Kitchen equipment can also improve quality and consistency of food preparation, for example like when creaming butter and sugars for biscuits. Modern kitchen equipment like food processors and slow cookers have revolutionized cooking, saving time and money. Electric food processors and mixers offer a quicker and more efficient way to prepare food, but their usage depends on cost and storage space. Food mixers, whether handheld or stand-mounted, are excellent for whisking, creaming, and dough making. Blenders, or liquidizers, are versatile appliances used for making soups, chopping fruits, and blending batters. Food processors are efficient and versatile, allowing for tasks like chopping, grating, and blending. Microwaves cook food quickly and efficiently, with minimal nutrient destruction. However, certain foods may not be suitable for microwave cooking. Why use microwaves? Microwave ovens are convenient, energy efficient, and ideal for cooking small portions and avoiding unnecessary washing up. What are some basic microwave oven facts? Microwave ovens generate microwaves that heat food quickly, with power output and heating categories determining cooking times. You need to understand the safety requirements and know how to use the settings. Microwave ovens. What are the pros and cons? Microwaves offer quick cooking, but the texture, flavor, and appearance of some foods may suffer. Cold spots can be avoided with proper techniques. Pressure cookers save time and energy by cooking food faster than conventional boiling methods. They are particularly useful for tenderizing tough meats. There are many pieces of kitchen equipment we take for granted, like kettles, coffee makers and toasters. But many homes also have slow cookers, deep fat fryers and sandwich toasters.